What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the garage, and welcome back to another new video. So I'm sure as you guys saw in some of those opening clips that the M3 is absolutely filthy. So I drove it through a little bit of rain and you know, it just gets dirty in the rain, especially on the highway. And so I just wanted to come in here. We're gonna get it washed up this afternoon. That way we can, you know, maybe have some fun over the weekend with the car. Maybe go to some events. Maybe go take some more photos. I've been taking a lot of photos. That's actually where how I got it so dirty. I was headed to a new photo spot, but I figured we're gonna get it washed today here in the garage. So I like making these like little cinematic style wash videos for you guys. They're usually a little bit on the shorter side, but I figured I'd come in here and make one for you guys today. I always think they look good, especially on the channel. And I know a lot of you guys usually ask me questions about, you know, what I used to wash or what the wash process looks like. I feel like I'm washing this thing damn near every week. So I definitely spend a lot of time washing it, and but it's okay. It's one of my hobbies. It's kind of what I enjoy doing. Now, in the last video, while I was editing it, I did get a chance to realize just quite how shaky I was being with the camera. So that was on me. That wasn't a camera problem or anything like that. That was just me used to the gimbal and used to how, you know, easily I can just walk around with that thing and not have to worry about it being shaky or not stable or not level. But this is just a little bit more work for me to do, but I don't mind. I think the video quality looks good. And like I said, I do have that lens coming in for the camera. It should be here in a few days, and that will get me just a little bit of a wider view so that I can get more of the car here in a shot inside the garage. And I think that'll add just a little bit to these videos and make them just that little bit better. But enough of the talking. You guys can see this thing is absolutely filthy. You can see all the dirt here in the wheel wells. The wheels are absolutely horribly filthy. This is just, you can see they just turn like this nasty brown color instead of being nice and clean black, but we're gonna get that fixed up today. So let's get the garage opened up and we'll get this thing all clean. you go, guys. It is all cleaned up. Everything is looking way better. You can see this thing's finally looking good again. We got the wheels back dialed in. They're looking nice and fresh. Obviously we got like all the little detail areas all cleaned up, but it looks way better here in the garage. And it's ready for another set of photos over this weekend or going out or whatever I'm gonna do with it. But that's gonna do it for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.